Just put the control in the water, and you'll never have this problem again. Guys, look at this. If your TV remote control has stopped working a few keys, or it stopped working altogether, you don't have to throw it away to buy another one. I'm going to show you an incredible trick. You can get your remote control back, and best of all, you'll spend absolutely nothing. To do this, take the controller that isn't working. Check to see if it has a battery. If it has batteries, you can remove them then. With the help of an object. Use a lever movement on this side. This is how we remove the controller housing. Now pay close attention. This green part is the control board. And this is where problems usually occur. The part with the keys, where you press them, as you can see, the rubber one. This is what comes into contact with the board. And over time, it tends to release some rubber residue in contact with the board. And this damages the functioning of the controller. That's why the keys we use most often give problems first. As is the case with volume and channel change. So all you have to do is clean the contacts on the board. I'll use a sponge to do this, put a little detergent on it, and scrub all the contacts with the yellow part. I'll take advantage of this and clean all the parts to remove all kinds of dirt, especially dust. And rest assured, this won't burn out your controller. No energy is being passed through it. Then, with the help of a cloth, dry all the parts very well. Ideally, it should be left to dry overnight. But if you want to speed up the process, you can use a hairdryer. The important thing is to dry all the components completely. Once this is done, you can reassemble the controller. Now let's put it to the test. And look at that. All the keys work again. How wonderful, and you can repeat this process at least once a month, and your controller will certainly last much longer.